Okay.
Right.
You ready?
Ready.
Put this in here.
Right.
Door is closed. Everything's good. We're locked. We're set up.
Yep.
Okay. Anybody coming? Nut Tree traffic. Lightsport 7 Charlie Tango is taking runway 2 straight out departure from Nut Tree. Okay. Brake is off. Take one last look. Nobody coming on final. Nobody from that direction. All right. Hear anybody in the pattern either. Get ourselves lined up.
Metro traffic, Cessna 353 Mike Echo, 10 miles east of the field, inbound runway 2. Metro traffic.
All right, full power.
36 Hotel, 10 miles north.
Instruments are in the green. Start to, got a airspeed.
Metro traffic.
Start to rotate nice and gentle.
Rotate.
Kind of hold it down.
Yep.
And we are off.
Yes, we are.
And Nut Tree traffic, Lightsport 427 Charlie Tango is on the upwind. Nut Tree. Whoa. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Okay, got a problem here. We're going to land. Let's see, we got power back.
Maybe she can land, dude.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Something went wrong. We got power. We're going to try to turn around. Whoa. As long as we got power, we're going to keep trying. 427 Charlie Tango's returning to the airport. Louis got an engine problem.
Not gonna take it, are we?
Yeah, yes we are. We're going to turn around nice and gentle. Hey, hold on a second.
Hey, Lightsport 6 Hotel, you good?
Yeah, I'm trying to make it back to the airport.
Alright, man, let us know we can help.
Fuck.
Okay, we're good.
Beautiful.
Yeah. We're on a downwind right now.
It's all yours, man. All aircraft stay clear of Nut Tree until the aircraft's back on the ground. Emergency.
All right, hang on. We're good. Don't worry. That was a little interesting.
Really?
Nut Tree traffic, Lightsport, turning on a base to final. Nut Tree. There we go. We made the runway.
All right.
Slow it down. Put in extra flaps. Okay. Don't look dramatic, but it's not, okay? There we go. Slow it down.
Metro traffic, Cessna 353 Mike Echo, inbound 4 miles east of the field. Do teardrop over midfield. Inbound runway 2, 353 Mike Echo.
There we go. There we go. It's nice and gentle.
Traffic not available.
There we go. There, on the ground.
Thank you.
And Nut Tree traffic, Lightsport 427 Charlie Tango is back on the ground. Nut Tree.
Nice work, man.
Hey, thanks. My passenger's breathing kind of hard, though.
Hear that.
That was different. What?
Metro traffic 6 Hotel, entering the 45, runway 2, Nut Tree.
Oh. That was weird. Sound like some kind of a fuel problem now. Engine sputtered.
On takeoff.
Yeah.
That was horrifying. Dang.
All right, we gotta park this bad boy, and we gotta call my mechanic. Find out what's going on. We'll just Uber back to Buchanan. Right.
I had to.
You okay, man?
I don't know.
Hey, you survived, brother. Oh shit.
Country 6 hotel left downwind.
Oh.
All right. Wow. We got a really low fuel pressure, and then the engine sputtered. And then we reduced power, fuel pressure came back up, and then it ran a little bit, but it sputtered again. All right. Well, I got it all on video, I hope, so hopefully I'll let Jeremy see it, mechanic, and he can tell us what's going on. Oh, you put your mic up a little higher, man.
I ain't scared. It was scary at the time.
Yeah. Oh. But you know the thing about flying, though, right? If it's still running, let it run. You know, you don't have to like drop it on the ground right there. If it's running, let it run.
Traffic,
you know, and
Echo over midfield.
And get yourself back. If the engine's out, then the engine's out, and you got to deal with it from there. But if it's still running, it's running. So
I'll come back out here with.
Okay.
I'm with it. I mean.
Country 6 hotel, final runway 2, full stop. Country.
All right. All right. Let's find a place to park, and we'll just take it from there.
That was.
Well, you know, there are a lot of places to land if something went wrong. A lot of places.
I saw it, but still, though, it's still gonna hurt a little bit.
Hey, the airplane's in one big piece. So, if it's in one piece, who was it?
Christ.
Who was it? Chuck Yeager used to say, any landing you walk away from is a good landing. Any landing you can use the plane the next day is a great landing. Right? So.